Hey Dollies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing really well and feeling awesome. Okay, so I have a little package for you. And this is an iconic thing. Like, this is such an iconic doll. Like, she is just so iconic because when it goes to collecting and getting Bratz, she really started all for me. Like, I did like Bratz before, but I didn't have any. I don't know why, but I just did not have any until then. Maybe because I mostly had Stephalas and they have more of a reasonable-ish price, while Bratz usually were really expensive and really pricey. At least here in Sweden. So here it is. I'll have to... It seems to be packed really good. It has like a strong tape, which I like because it's good to protect it all so she doesn't get destroyed. Because if the doll is destroyed, I won't be happy. I want my dolls to be as perfect as they can be. And I don't want them to get broken or smashed or whatever it can be. Oh, yeah. Okay, so here she is. I'm basically holding her, just like having it. Okay, so I absolutely have her again. It is the one and only Bratz Dynamite Cloe. My very, very first Bratz that I ever got. And I just have her again. Look at her. I love her face. I love her beautiful lips. I love her beautiful eyes. Just nice hair. And she also has these glasses. Fabulous earrings. And this leather outfit that I love. The pleatherish. It feels soft. I like it. And she has black shoes. I just need Megan, but I'm going to get her from eBay. No, not from, or she was on eBay, but the seller has put her on hold for me, so I will get her as well. So she is from the UK. Megan will be, I can tell later, but I bought Nebra from Sadera, a Swedish site, but she is just so pretty. It's so nice to have your first ever Bratz doll back again. She needs a little bit of comb, maybe conditioner, but I don't think she really needs boil wash. I hope not, because I don't really. But she's just missing her brush and card. It's not like that big of a disaster with a brush, but I really love the cards. She just smells so good. I love her. Like, she was my first Bratz doll. I took her to kindergarten. I remember that my dad took photos of her with his phone. I did not have a phone. I was just 5 years old. But he took pictures of her in the balcony. I remember that. But she's just so gorgeous. I love the Dynamite line because of me getting her as my first Bratz doll. Megan was my sister's first breast doll. She got her, Megan, the exact same day, and I'm forever grateful. So that's why she's real special, and I love her style. I just love it. But this was my video, and I hope you liked it. If you did, give me a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and spread the love. And take care of each other. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.